Hello everyone, my name is Mike. Today I'm going to show you all how to run a select statement against the customers table using three different clauses. The three clauses we're going to use are the between clause, the in clause, and the order by clause. So the first clause I'd like to show you is the between clause. So to get started here, we'll say select star from the customers table. So that will return all records from the customers table. And then we're going to say where customer ID, and we're going to only return records where the customer ID is between 1 and 5. So with this statement, we'll expect to get a total of 5 records returned, and those 5 records should be all of the records where the customer ID is either 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So let's go ahead and run that statement, and we can see that we got the results that we expected. So that is great. Let's go ahead and run the second select statement here. For this one, we are going to use the in clause. So we'll start off with the same format, select star from customers. And this time, rather than returning the records between 1 and 5, let's return records 1, 3, and 5. So once again, we'll still use the customer ID column. And rather than saying between, we'll say in. And whenever we use a in clause, we have to use the parentheses here. And we'll say where the record is either, or where the customer ID is either 1, 3, or 5. And then we'll close our parentheses. And if we run this statement, we'll expect to get a total of 3 records returned. The 3 records returned should be the ones where the customer ID is either 1, 3, or 5. So let's go ahead and run that statement. And we can see down here at the bottom of the screen that we got 3 records returned, the 3 that we were expecting, where the customer ID was either 1, 3, or 5. So the last statement I want to run is going to be another select statement from the customers table, but this time we're going to use the order by clause. So we'll start with the select star from customers, like we did on the previous 2 statements. But this time we are going to say order by, and what should we order by? I think we're going to order by the last name of the customers. So let's say customer last name, and then we'll close that off with a semicolon. And if we run this statement, we should get all 25 records in the customers table, and they should be ordered based upon the customer's last name. So it should start with any customer last names that begin with A, and the last record in the table should be any customer last names that begin with Z. Let's go ahead and run that statement. So we can see at the bottom of the screen here, we pull it up a little bit, that we got all 25 records from the customers table returned, and they ordered those records based upon the customer last name. So we got those customer last names returned in alphabetical order. So those were the 3 different clauses that I wanted to show you all how to use. Thank you for watching.
So what did you recreate? Like statement?